Hey guys, it's John ReelBlue Custom Rods and welcome back to the channel. And today, do a short video on this product right here. I just wanted to highlight the product, if you will. And I just got these two gaff hooks in the other day in the mail while I was on vacation. And what I wanted to do was kind of show them to you and talk to you about them a little bit. So we've got two hooks here. We've got the gold hook and the blue hook. And so what do I like about these hooks, these gaff hooks? So first of all, these are 3-inch gaff hooks and they're made by Tiller Fabrication. You can see his Instagram page here on the right side. And a little bit about him. Tiller Fabrication is a veteran-owned company, former Air Force fighter pilot, and retired, and decided to go into business for himself, making gaff hooks of all different shapes and sizes and materials and different products. And you guys should check out his website, and we'll do a little scroll. Matter of fact, let's just take a look at the website here. So we can just kind of scroll down and take a look and see some of the products that he has in here, different size hooks or gaff hooks, from stainless steel to titanium, meat hooks. Also has, different types of spikes for killing fish. And also for straight gaffs for kayak fishermen. So you guys should check out his website and check out his Instagram page. Give him a follow and pick up some of his products. So here I have the 3-inch hook. So that's really kind of the first thing that I want to talk about, the size, 3 inches. Although you can get, whether they're Tiller Fabrication's gaff hooks or they're anybody else's gaff hooks that you buy, from 1.5 inches to 4 or 5 inches for a gaff hook. I think a 3-inch hook is a pretty universal hook when it comes to fishing, for both freshwater, if you're going to use it for freshwater, and for saltwater. You can hook or gaff just about really any size fish with a 3-inch hook and be totally good with it. What I mean by that is the gaff will handle, a 3-inch gaff will handle a very good, decent sized fish. And I think it's a pretty universal size gaff to have on any boat that would help you land pretty much any fish that you pull alongside the boat and that you're going to have to gaff. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is the material. So stainless steel is a great product to have, but so is titanium for a few different reasons. When it comes to Tiller Fabrication's gaffs, stainless steel is a great product, and I believe it's priced right. When you go to a product that is titanium, of course, you're going to pay more for the titanium because it costs more, but it's lighter. It's a great all-around product, and pretty indestructible. With Tiller Fabrication, another difference between the titanium gaffs and or the stainless steel gaffs. The stainless steel gaffs only come in stainless steel. So basically the color of the material that they're made of, right? So essentially a silver color. You cannot get them colored like this. The only gaffs that you can get iodized or colored are the titanium guides, or excuse me, the titanium gaffs. And again, I decided to go with a blue one and a gold one. And I've got a couple of great ideas. I'm going to be building this blue one for Marvita sport fishing. And this gold one, I've got a cool idea or theme that I'm going to use for this one. So again, make sure you guys check out Tiller Fabrication. Check out his Instagram page. Check out his website. Tell him John sent you from ReelBlue Custom Rods. And if you're a business and you're watching this video and you're interested in getting Tiller Fabrication gaffs at a wholesale price, if you will, you definitely should DM him, communicate that with him, and he'll probably get you squared away as long as you're a legal business and all that stuff. So, and another thing I wanted to say is you can see his gaffs, all over the place. A lot of famous fishermen that happen to actually be on TV. The people that make their gaffs use the Tiller Fabrication gaffs. It's the Gaffstro actually is the one that you see on the TV and all the time. So again, go out, check them out, Tiller Fabrication, and take a look. And then again, the big takeaway here, if you're trying to build a gaff and you're not sure what size gaff hook to use, I'm telling you, a 3-inch gaff will get the job done almost pretty much every situation you can find yourself in, both in fresh and saltwater fishing. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys watch this next video here. And until next time, guys, take care.